In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down and click on Privacy section. Now you need to tap on Permission Manager. And finally, select one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. Then tap on one of your apps and apply the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my app just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. Then, instead of selecting any of those options, scroll all the way down and tap on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!